Take it easy. Come on. There, got him. There he is. Nice brown trout. Beautiful fish. Alright, we'll let him go. See you, buddy. Thank you. Here he comes. Oh. Nice rainbow trout. Beautiful fish. Alright, there we go. See you, buddy. Off he goes. Oh, nice fish, finally. Been a long slog today. Did see this one rising, and I don't know if it's the one, but looks about the same size, like a brown. Make it easy. There, come on. There, got him. Nice one. There he is. Nice brown trout. Beautiful fish. Alright, we'll let him go. See you, buddy. Thank you. On the way, I don't know what it is. Looks like a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Got him. Nice. Hooks out. There we go. Oh. So, one of each. One rainbow and one brown. There you go. There we go. See you, fella. Well, I finally got my broken midsection back from Sage. It took 2 months. I suppose that's not too bad from the US. I had a squirmy wormy on that rod, and I had a nymph on the other one. So last time the squirmy was really successful, but this time it really wasn't. So I caught all my fish on nymphs this time. So it just shows you how you've got to swap and change from time to time. And yeah, like I said, the nymphs were successful on this trip. Another one. Like another rainbow. Oh. Lower him out a bit. There we go. Yep. There he comes. No. Jeez. Here he comes. Oh, he's very careful. He's only just nipped the hook. Ooh. There he goes. Hold on. Just got a lot of going in this one. Come on. Got him. Oh. Yeah. About the same size as the other one. Look at that. Nice rainbow trout. Beautiful fish. Alright, let him go. See ya, buddy. Off he goes. He's good. Well, the water was running at about 500 megalitres today, which is pretty low for the Goulburn. Usually it's running a bit harder than that. But I did see some of the council workers, they were pulling logs out of the river, mainly near some of the bridges. So yeah, that's probably why they've kept the water level low, and it's allowed them to get an excavator out and remove some huge logs. So good on them. And yeah, it's good for fishing when they do clear it like that. So yeah, it was great to see some work getting done. As I was walking along this bank of the river, I spotted a pretty big rainbow trout. It must have just finished spawning, and it looked pretty exhausted as it didn't swim away very fast when I did approach it. So I just slowly followed it. I thought I might be able to net it and just show people this big fish. It was probably a good 55 centimetres long, but yeah, it ended up swimming off, and I just let it go. Didn't bother chasing it any further. I was just like Euro nymphing with my normal fly rod, and sure enough there was one sitting in there. Oh, got him. Yeah, hooks out. Not a big fish, but nice little rainbow. Let him go. Here we go. See ya, fella. He was just sitting in amongst the reeds, and he just shot out and took the nymph. Yeah, I don't have my Euro nymphing rod, so I'm just using an indicator with the nymph underneath it, and see how that goes. See, there's one over there rising. Ooh. Yeah, I just raised the indicator a bit. Actually, no, I lowered it so that my fly wasn't as deep, because I did notice a few rising fish, and they weren't big, and obviously this is one of them. Yeah, I'll get it in the net. Beautiful. He's only a little tiddler rainbow, but still a cute little thing. See ya, buddy. Off he goes. I'll see if I can get some more here. That's 2 here at Gilmore's. Just on my way home, and I thought I'd pull up here and have a crack. Well, that's it for today. Wasn't too bad a session. I'm not sure, I think I might have caught 4 or 5, maybe 6, I don't know. That big rainbow that was obviously it must have spawned and was like pretty exhausted. I just followed it for a bit and it got away, but yeah, it was a huge fish. That was about the biggest one I saw today. I mean, it was good fun. Caught a few fish. I mean, today's the last day I'll be fishing the Goulburn until the season opens up again. Yeah, thanks to those who put up a vote on the poll I had about the Jaffa fly. It was successful, so yeah, I hope it was entertaining. It was entertaining for me, so yeah, and everyone was unanimous that it would catch a trout, and it did, so you were all right. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're new, subscribe, that'd be great, and yeah, give it a like and maybe give us a comment if there was something that you saw that, you know, was unusual, or maybe something you can teach me. But yeah, that's it for today. So yeah, thanks for watching and God bless. Bye.